FM so we can kick back. Call the homies up, tell them about to bring it back. Everybody coming through, party over here. And if you ain't drinking, baby, drinks over here. What you smoking on? We got the loud in the air. And where you wanna go, everybody wanna stare. I ain't never been afraid, they had to bring it back. No one thinking about everybody. Shawty got that kitty cat, she looking real nice, baby. Y'all wanna make a move, get you in the corner. Let me tell you what I wanna do. Kiss you on your lips and work my way down and work my way up, and then I turn you all around. We can two-step slide left to right, how you wanna do it, baby girl? Yeah, you know that we get to it. Just chill for a minute. Let me tell you how I feel and how I wanna live.
Purchase your jacket.
Get you in my arms, wanna kiss on you. Baby girl, thinking about what I wanna do. Day one, when I first met you, we were chilling outside, everybody kicking it cool. We were posted on that car in front of my friend's house when you and your piece came out, what that was about. And I had to try to do my thing. No game, baby girl, see that was lame. So I kicked it to a whole nother level. Spitting poetry to you, baby, like it's whatever. When the sun comes up, it shines on you. And when the moon comes out, the light for you. And I like the way your eyes get to glistening though. I like to hear your voice when you speak though. In my arms, I feel your heartbeat. And baby girl, yeah, I gotta keep you close to me. I ain't never tryna lose another woman like you. Kissing on you, baby girl, tell me what I wanna do. Never let you go, I never let you go. Never with a nigga like me, go and let you go. You like a drug, I'm addicted to, boo. I ain't tryna find no thing that'll get me out for you. Superman got a kryptonite, well you my weakness though. If a nigga hurt you, it's like I gotta take it for. But I ain't tryna be a gangster right now, I'm tryna keep it real. I gotta let these niggas know what's the real deal. I'm street, I'm hood with this thing. But when it comes to my woman, yo, you can call me a lane. Cause I'm caking and I'm doing everything I gotta do for you. Keep you in my arms, baby girl, I keep you near, boo. And when we get in the room, it's going down. Close the door, turn the lights off and the music down. What we listen to, like some Keith Sweat, Bobby Brown, can you stand the rain? What's next? Two-stepping, hit the whole family though. Food good, baby girl, where you wanna go? Fly you all around the world, never wanna lose you. Nigga gotta keep you close, baby, what I'm done to do. Listen to the beat, think about it, cause you know it's you and me. She like a stripper sliding down the pole, baby, getting real loose. Open up your legs, let me see what you're trying to do. I ain't never seen it done like that before. Turn around, baby, go and make that thing roll. Took that backpack, go and put an arch in. G-spot, orgasm, yeah, I'm bringing it in. I'm about to eat that thing out right, and I'ma stick the pipe in, cause we gon' do it all night. I'm a freaking big, yeah, it's true. Any way you wanna do it, baby, do it out for you. 69 up and down, turn it out around. Sit you on the toilet from the bed to the ground. How you hanging from the roof, swinging like a monkey though. None on top of that thing, you can make it roll. Nah, man, I'm tripping. Just another night, Christmas Eve.